We're doing 2 cosine of x, so we're going to take the x coordinates, 1, 0, negative 1, 0, 1, and we're going to double them. So 2, 0, negative 2, 0, 2. That would be 2 cosine of x. Now we have to deal with this period change. We know the period is equal to 2 pi over b, and b is the multiplier of x. Well, another way you can think about this is if there was an unwritten 1 here, 1x over 2, that means we really have 1/2 times x, or b is a half. So over here we have 2 pi divided by a half. You can think of this as copy dot flip. 2 pi, instead of divide, we're going to go times. And instead of 1 over 2, we're going to flip that to 2 over 1. So we have 2 pi times 2 is 4 pi. So all that really means is our period is now 4 pi. Notice I didn't write anything in because I wanted to be able to write what I wanted in. Well, half of 4 pi is 2 pi, and half of 2 pi is 1 pi. And halfway between 2 and 4 pi is 3 pi. And so now I have everything labeled for a very easy 2 cosine of x over 2.